So my wife and I just moved into this new house recently. If I want to go get a glass of water late at night, or if I need to use the bathroom, you know, I don't want to turn on overhead lights. But also, we don't really have the outlet space for night lights. So thankfully, somebody showed me this, Guidelights. These are outlet covers that replace any current outlet cover you have, and anytime it goes dark, they light up. No outlet space required, and they're super easy to install. You just turn the breaker off, pop the old outlet off, pop the new one in, and then whenever it goes dark, it lights up because it knows. So these have been a lifesaver for us. What's great about these two is that they're very cheap on a yearly basis. They only cost 10 cents a year in energy. They look nice. They illuminate a pretty wide area without being too harsh. They light it up, but it doesn't hurt your eyes. They look really nice. Plus, they come in all different shapes and sizes, so they fit most, if not all, outlet covers. Guidelights. Couldn't recommend them enough.